in given data, we have here sold date column. Okay, but it is not in a date format. You can see this is in a number format, right? How to change it to the date format? Correct. We have to go to transform, data type here, data type, select date format. Okay, select a date format. Once you have been selected a date format, you can see here the date related modification tools has been applied. If you have a time column, time related modification you can do. In a date related modification, what are the date related modification we can do? We can extract only the year. Okay, you can extract only the year in a given column. So here in selected column, only year will be extracted. If you like to extract only the in selected column, if you like to extract only the month, you can select a month, so that only months will be extracted from the column. Okay, like this we can select whichever the things you would like to extract in a given date column. You can extract a quarter wise, week wise, okay, day wise. Okay, like this you can change the this one. And again, here one more thing we can do, the formatting we already learned. And date column, it is over. Okay, it is changing a date column. If you have a time, you can use the time column. Okay, then we can check for all the things. Okay, price, it is given in a decimal numbers, correct, that format is correct. Then for a quantity, it is in a should be in a whole number, select. Okay, then channel is in a text, correct. Product id, it is in a text. Okay, country is in a text. Okay, if possible country we can change it to a geo format. Okay, if it is not there, fine, then it comes to a distributor. Okay, distributor, again text format, id should be in a whole number format. All formats are correct now. Okay, formatting is right. Okay, empty rows are removed, and it has been trimmed, and direct we have been done. Okay, all the things are in a proper. Okay, everything is correct now. Then it comes to a extract. Okay, we can extract a length. For example, you would like to know that how many characters are there. Okay, to check that one, we can use the extract option here, length, like this. Okay, so number of the character it will show. Okay, similarly, if you are using a in a extract option, first character. Okay, we can count first three characters like this. Only first three characters will be retained. Only first three characters will be retained. Similarly, in an extract, last character means last three characters will be retained. If you say range, you can give the starting index, for example, third character to sixth character. Okay, you can extract only from a first three characters will be deleted, last characters will be deleted. Okay, in between characters will be written. And similarly, you can use a text before disclaimer, delimiter. If you have like this space, okay, you can say that text before delimiter, that is a space has been given. Okay, wherever there is space is there, after space everything will be deleted. To come back again, close this one. Okay, like this we can change the format, and we can extract the information from the one particular column. In the sense, we can shortcut we can generate, or we can extract only the first characters, last characters. Like this we can do by using this particular option, extract.